Alright, welcome to What's Up Cafe. And I guess some of you already know me. My name is Suzanne Lansangan Sabanan. And you know, a few months back, my husband, Ronnie Sabanan, and I decided we wanted to form a band again. Actually, you know, we've been in many bands before. You know, some bands they last for a long time, some bands, you know, just for a few months, maybe a few days, right? But, you know, there was a point in time when we said, you know, let's just give up on our music. But I guess, you know, once a musician, always a musician. Once a singer, always a singer. So my husband and I decided to go back to our first love, which is music. Okay, and you know, making music. So we invited some friends and co-musicians to join us. Alright? And so Ronnie called JR Hendrano first. Alright? So sabi niya, JR, you know? Sama ka naman sa amin. Join us. So we have a very talented drummer here. And he's also a member of the LaSalle band. It's Simply Green. And some of the members are also here. We have Jazz, Osho. Alright, and you know, after that, sabi namin, okay, let's contact someone else. So we had Bobby De Leon. So si Bobby, he's a seasoned musician and an excellent keyboard player. And he's performed in different countries and played with famed Filipino artists such as Pedrito Corrales, Anthony Costello, Gloria Papin. So we're truly happy to have him as our musical director. So yan si Bobby. Alright, so our next victim was Jojo Hendrano. So Jojo is our guitarist and he happens to be JR's brother. Bahala na kayo kung siya older or younger. Right? And according to JR, single pa raw si Jojo. Sino nakapanood nun? Anybody watch that before? No? Okay. Here's the multi-talented Hermie Angeles. We are Sounds of Manila!
Turn the lights off in this place. where my spirits can run free. Get upon my corner of the
Be